welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just got back from church and the service was fully packed. I'm so happy that I went to church. I almost did not go to church because I was up all night editing the last video I posted. You all please go show me love on the last video I posted. But I'm happy that I went because the praise and worship was so glorious. I really felt the raw presence of God. So there's this restaurant that got opened here in Enugu on the 1st of June. I saw the video on Facebook that they are open here in Enugu. When I was in Abuja last year, I went to this restaurant and their food tastes so good. I mean, their food is so tasty. So when I saw the video that they are now in Enugu, I was like, I'm gonna visit them because they are relatively very affordable. So that's where I'm dressed up to go to. If you watched my last video, I unboxed this top. So that's the top I'm wearing. Let me show you the shoes I'll be wearing. So this is the shoe I'll be wearing. It's going to match the white on my top. So that's what I'll wear. And let me show you the bag that I'm carrying. This bag, I once unboxed it in one of my videos. That's what I'll be carrying. So that's it. That's what I'll carry. Do scent of the day. I'm gonna be wearing this rose tempera. My brother got it for me when he came back, and the perfume smells so good. So that's what I'll be wearing. It's a little bit strong because it's very long lasting. I mean, it's for ladies, but it's really very long lasting. It's a Zara perfume, by the way. And I'll be wearing Moswa Candy Rose, my baby. It smells so sweet and soft. Because girl has to smell so good. It has to be on my hair too. Yeah, you can see how I'm spraying it. I don't mind perfumes so that it lasts longer on my body and on my skin. So I'm off. See you at the restaurant. Bye bye. So the new restaurant in town we are visiting is Tastier. So I had to take pictures. I was looking all fly, like always. So I got into the restaurant. I mean, the place is so beautiful. The ambience was given. I had to place my order. I ordered for stir fried pasta. Very nice with turkey. That's what I ordered for. And their price is not that expensive. As in, I was so joyous when I heard this restaurant is now in Enugu because the last time I was at Abuja, I visited one of their branches and their food tastes so good. My food is here. I mean, this is my first time having this drink and it tastes so nice. I was just enjoying it. So I was done eating. I didn't even taste my turkey. I had to tell them to pack it, so I'll take it home because I was already filled up. So I had this time of my life here. I am back. Honestly, I had a nice time at the restaurant. I really had a nice time. I'm happy that I went. I'm so happy that I went. So I quickly want to take off my makeup and shower and go to bed. Tomorrow I want to cook because next week really fasting is starting. So after the fasting, I'll have what I'll eat. So let me just take out my makeup with this beauty formula face wipe. Really nice. Smells very nice. I'll use mirror to take it up. Another one. Taking it out, my makeup. Next, I'll be going in with this facial cleanser. Very nice. I mean, you can see I've taken out my makeup and my face is still looking very fine. No pimples. This face cleanser, clean and clear, is a game changer. If you can lay your hands on this, use this. This is what I have been using on my face for the past 4 years. I wear a lot of makeup still. I don't have pimples on my face, so I only put it on my face and I'll allow it to stay for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I wash it out. So I'm gonna allow it to stay small and I'll head to the bathroom to shower.